Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an outline or stroke to an image or a sticker in Adobe Illustrator. It's really simple and easy. First of all, we have to insert our image, then go to this image trace and select low fidelity photo. After that, we can click on expand and now we can safely remove the background. Now once that's done, we have to copy and paste our image like this. Now this is going to be our outline. We have to go for this edit colors and adjust color balance. Now make sure to click on preview so we can view the changes. We have to first go for this color mode and select grayscale, convert, and we have to go all the way to the right until we see our image in black like this. Now here we have to go for this object and go for this path, and then we have to create the size of our outline. In this case we are going for 10 or 12 pixels here, and then select our color. Select both images and go to align. If you do not have this window, go for the shortcut shift plus F7. Once we have both of them aligned, we are going to send this backward. Click right here, and as you can see, our outline is visible now. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add an outline or stroke to an image or sticker in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.